the most important thing really is control. So we have many systems out there that can be working very fast, but I don't feel as a surgeon that I have the control. The machine is controlling me. It's going a bit too fast in places where I want it to be slower because it's a very important step for safety. In addition, the machine is also very efficient and of course, safety for the patient. So because of that, it actually allows me to do very complex cases that you think they're very difficult, very daring steps that I do, like going under the lens when there's a posterior capsule rupture. I don't fear to aspirate vitreous because I know my machine can do it safely.
What I'm looking for is the best possible visibility, so that makes me comfortable, makes me able to perform precise surgery, and something that's repeatable, that doesn't, fail.
So I've used the phaco machine of Bausch & Lomb for about 30 years now. At that time, we had the competitors that were there and they were trying to get me interested. But it was only Bausch & Lomb that actually brought me all the way to India to actually watch it and then to do 2 cases, and I was not quite satisfied, and I said, now I want to do a bit more, and they actually got me 20 cases to do. And it's only Bausch & Lomb that was friendly and kind that actually took the step and gave me more opportunity until I had confidence in the system.
So I do some outreach work in a remote part of Australia, and the Bausch & Lomb representative comes with us to help with the machine because the nurses only do cataract surgery when we go, so that's only twice a year. Unfortunately, the microscope there stopped working, and we had 50 patients that had come for surgery and a scope that didn't work. And this wasn't even a Bausch & Lomb scope, but the Bausch & Lomb representative went out of her way to ring the other company, work out how to do a software reset so that we could provide surgery. So it's not just good quality products, it's the people that come with it.
Many of these products are really very, very good already today. So they're really not that different. The important thing is the relationship that you build with the company and your confidence in them that they will provide the service whenever you just lift the phone and give them a call.